Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Dashboards in 2026. Dashboards are powerful because they give you a bird's eye view of your projects, tasks, and team performance. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, just select your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are available. Now, to access dashboards, look at the left sidebar and click on Dashboards. Here you'll see any existing dashboards you've created, as well as an option to create a new one. Click on Create Dashboard and give it a clear name, like Project Overview or Team Progress. Inside your new dashboard, you can add widgets. Widgets are blocks of information that show different metrics or data, like task lists, workload, completed tasks, due dates, or project progress. Click Add Widget and choose from the available options to build your dashboard. For example, you can add a Tasks in Progress widget to see active tasks across multiple spaces or lists. Add a Workload widget to track how much work each team member has. You can even use a pie chart or bar chart widget to visualize task status or priorities. Yeah, it makes data much easier to understand. You can customize each widget by selecting filters, choosing which lists or spaces to pull data from, and adjusting the layout. Drag and drop widgets to arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for your workflow. Dashboards are dynamic, so any changes in tasks or projects automatically update here. This is great for managers or team leads who want real-time insights without opening each list individually. You can also share dashboards with your team or specific members. This keeps everyone aligned and informed about project progress, workloads, and deadlines. If needed, you can set permissions so only certain people can edit the dashboard. Finally, save your dashboard and revisit it anytime. You can create multiple dashboards for different purposes, like client updates, team tracking, or personal productivity. And that's it. Using ClickUp Dashboards in 2026 gives you powerful insights, helps manage your team, and keeps projects on track. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you